Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group and want to empower your fellow admins with the ability to ban users, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps for allowing an admin to ban users on your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you're an admin. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on your group to open it. Next, look at the top of the group chat window and click on the group's name. This will bring up the group's profile and settings. Here, you'll see all the details about your group, including members and admins. Now, find and click the edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil or a small gear, depending on your version. This takes you into the group's management settings. From the menu, select Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all the current admins in your group. Click on the admin whose permissions you want to adjust. A new window will open, showing all the available permissions for that admin. Look for the option labeled Ban Users. This is the key setting that allows an admin to remove or ban members from the group. Toggle this option on to enable it. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've now given your chosen admin the power to ban users from your group. This is a great way to share moderation responsibilities and keep your community safe and organized. Remember, only the group owner or admins with full rights can edit other admins' permissions. So make sure you have the necessary access before you start. With these steps, managing your Telegram group just got a lot easier. Thanks for tuning in, and happy group managing.